Is it the new iPhone?
Yes.
Let me put them both going that way.
Anyways, but it was really interesting because a lot of people were like, you know, we hate them because they closed down the mom and pop store.
I just wound it up, babe.
I'm winding it up again. Are you taking a video now?
Yes. Woohoo! Run into the slut mug. Yes. Hey, the one kept going. That was pretty good. The other one just got stuck at slut.
Slut. It just liked the slut too much.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
We like to go together, except for that one keeps getting stuck at slut.
Yeah, they don't really like to go together that much. Obviously. Why do they have to go this way?
Why can't they go towards you?
I keep trying to make him go that way. I pick him up and turn him around.
Haha. It's amazing though, because she's been doing this whole time and nobody's done anything about it. Woo!
Okay, look. Get it, Griffin. Here comes number 2. Thank you very much, Abby. Have you a food hug? Thank you. Not that late. Watch out! It won't fall. I know. I've been watching them.
And it can crash into your hand. It will just change direction.
Really?
Yeah, that's what it does when it hits the slut mug.
Well, unless it's that one.
That one.
That one, once it hits something, it says, I go no further. That's it.
Yeah.
I'm done.
I'm done. He's more windy.
That's a little high-powered bumper car.
And this one just keeps going to the corner. Hey, I want to order that.
How long has it been since we had a sleepover and watched that movie?
What movie?
Dirty Dancing.
We used to
Oh,
have a sleepover, like,
yeah.
every weekend and watch Dirty Dancing. No joke. Every
I'm not
weekend.
surprised. A lot of people did. It's a good thing though.
Yeah. And then you got that uncomfortable coupon.
I know. Which apparently my sister's boyfriend is sleeping on all summer.
Woohoo!
Same boyfriend.
Same boyfriend.
Didn't he have drugs?
All right, I'm gonna stop now.